and the rest of all, my colleagues are here, my friends are here, my elders are here, everyone. I really warmly welcome all of you at this book launch. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a privilege to stand before you and talk about my latest work, Midnight Visitor. This book has stories that blend mystery, suspense, and the quiet unraveling of secrets, elements that have always fascinated me as a writer. I never thought of writing poems because I was a teacher in a school in Kolkata, and I have my colleagues sitting here. We have never thought of writing stories or poems. We were always into work. Now, suddenly, with a lapse of time and also place and pace, I thought of writing poems which really ignited my mind, and also now have started writing poems a little bit more, which I will read one poem related to this book, and stories that I knew will fascinate everyone here. At its core, Midnight Visitor isn't just about suspense, but about human connections, trust, and the choices we make when our backs are against the wall. The title Midnight Visitor symbolizes more than just a literal arrival at an unexpected hour. It represents the unexpected challenges and truth that come knocking in our lives, often when we least anticipate them. Just step into a world where the veil between the living and the dead is perilously thin. Midnight Visitor, 15 ghost stories with a chilling twist, spine-tingling collection that will send shivers down your spine. Each story is crafted to plunge you into an atmosphere of eerie suspense, dark shadows, and the unexplained. But be aware, one of these stories, not just a figment of imagination hidden among the fictional hauntings, is a real life account of paranormal activity that defies all logic. As you read through the pages, you'll find yourself questioning reality and wondering which tale is rooted in true events. Prepare for sleepless nights as you delve into tales of restless spirits, haunted houses, and inexplicable occurrences. This book is a journey into the unknown, perfect for those who love to be both entertained and unnerved. Will you be able to distinguish facts from fiction? Only the bravest readers will uncover the truth behind the haunting whispers. I hope this book keeps you on the edge of your seat and, most importantly, stays with you, prompting questions and perhaps even inspiring deeper conversations. Now, related to this book that I was talking about, I would like to tell you about this poem that has also struck me. In shadows deep where moonlight creeps, the restless spirits roam, whispers of the past that keep in haunted eerie home. A howl at night, the werewolf's plight beneath the silver sky. In forests dark, they start their mark where echoes never die. Ghostly tales and midnight wails, in pages bound so tight, unlock the door to folklore's core and dare to read the night. Step inside where phantoms hide and secrets long concealed. In stories spun, the fears begun, let the mysteries be revealed. With every turn, let your heart yearn for chills that never cease. Embrace the fright, the shadowed night, and find your dark release.